It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about Tilray stock. The ticker symbol for this stock, TLRY. We're going to take a look here at an article from Yahoo Finance. We have some very juicy, good information here on this article. Tilray CEO sees marijuana legalization in America over the next 18 to 24 months. Right there with that headliner, you should be saying, holy, this is unbelievable, because this will be happening over the course of 18 to 24 months, possibly, and it could be a real thing here. Tilray CEO Irwin Simon expects marijuana legalization in the U.S. to happen within the next 2 years, citing the recent legislative push to end the federal prohibition of marijuana. I see over the next 18 to 24 months that cannabis in some format will have legalization, Simon told Yahoo Finance Live. By the way, there is a video for those of you who want to check it out. So just come to this article, read it in its entirety, and you could also see the entire video as well. Once again, that is the title for you up here. Just do that quick Google search. So look, Tilray right now, it is just an exciting time. Tilray recently had that boom, so things are firing in all cylinders right now. They were up, about 20 something percent in the matter of a day? That was a huge big win for Tilray. Now let's get going and keep going with this article. Okay, so right here he says, and while we don't have anything in cannabis, while we don't do anything in cannabis today in the US due to the federal prohibition, Tilray is preparing for the future ability to further enter the American market. As we look at what companies are out there, Simon said, do we look at having options on them to buy at once? To buy at once the legalization happens. Do we have some type of relationship with them? The answer is yes, and that will give us the opportunity to be a player in the US once legalization does happen. Here's the state of legal weed in America. Right here we got 50 states, 48 right here, and then our two farthest states, Alaska and Hawaii. So look at that whole map. We have recreational use in the light green. Then we have this medium green is medical only. And then medical CBD / low THC program. And the red states are illegal. Out of the 50 states, there are only 3 illegal states for marijuana. That is Idaho, Nebraska, and Kansas. Look at all of these other states. These are the only ones that are illegal. These 3, Idaho, Nebraska, Kansas. Everything else is trending towards that use for marijuana into the future. Let's keep going here. My playbook here is to create the largest cannabis company that's built around consumer brands, Simon said. And those brands will be built around adult use, will be built around medical cannabis, will be built around drinks, edibles, and foods. Tilray shares price surged over 25% on Wednesday. So this is what I was talking about and referring to with that big jump, that big boom that we saw recently. So this is definitely something that is happening with Tilray. The CEO right there, Irwin Simon, the guy is super positive. The guy is super optimistic. I don't think there's any reason to doubt why this happens. And just look at what's happening right now in the whole marijuana sector. We got stocks, even like SNDL, having a small rise. SNDL has been one of those stocks that it has been a tough go for it after it fell from that super high in February. But Tilray is another one. Tilray was about $63 in February. You got to keep that in mind and remember that. Tilray retraced all the way back, and I think they're ready to push up for that next leg. That next leg will be higher. Who knows? We could possibly get around that 60 something dollar mark. Hell, even this year possibly. The way that things are going. Look, anytime you have good news like this, anytime you have a positive catalyst like this, you gotta keep it in mind. You always gotta be realistic with yourself. Anything can happen. Good news, that's what you want to hear the most. And this seems to be a plan. This seems to be like something that Tilray is going to take matters into their own hand once they have that green light by the regulators. Just a quick disclaimer though, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. So let's take a look at Tilray and where it stands right now. At the current time of the video, Tilray goes for $16.03. It is up 0.56% for today. So not a lot of movement. It's kind of stagnant. It's up and down, up and down. It's wavy, you know. It is what it is, but I expect to see a push up, and I think we could have $20 coming next. Let's take a look here at tipranks.com. Here is the 12-month target for Tilray. On the high spectrum, we have $25 here. On the average, we have $19.56. And on the low end, we have $13.58. So we're actually literally right in between, as Tilray is what, 16.11 real time. And it's smack in the middle between the low end and the average end. So it's definitely interesting to see how this will shape up with Tilray. But I think positive times are ahead and good times are ahead for Tilray. That is a very good interview with Irwin Simon. I recommend that you guys check it out. Tilray, a lot of great big things are going to be happening. Look, it is a moderate buy at the moment. 5 analysts saying buy, 5 analysts saying to hold it. 0 analysts telling you to sell Tilray. Math is easy. When you see that 0, it ain't about nothing. We want zeros in our accounts though, I'll tell you that. Extra zeros. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so we can have more eyes seen on this video and move it across that YouTube algorithm. If you didn't like the video, it's all good. Give it a thumbs down. It's a free country. The news ain't gonna stop. I ain't gonna stop either. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel so you can stay notified, informed, and up to date. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.